Hello. Hey, Raw family. How is everyone doing? Gotta straighten this shirt out. All right, you guys. I am back with another video. All right. This video, I was going to say, if you guys do not like this recipe and you try it, you can unsubscribe. But I'm not going to say that. But anyway, hope everyone is having a midweek, chilling and dealing with the kids and school back and all of that. But anyway, I don't know if you guys know, I do not eat ground beef. I can eat some beef if it's grass-fed, or if it's a certain grade, but I cannot eat ground beef. I know, weird, huh? But anyway, we're going to do a barbecue bourbon turkey meatloaf. Sorry, you guys. I only eat turkey when it comes to meatloaf and burgers. But anyway, it will be safe for the kids also because you're gonna, cook the bourbon out. And you can also reduce the amount of bourbon that you want to put in. But the bourbon gives it kind of a pretty cool kick. All right, if you're ready to get this train on the track. Oh, I forgot. Hey, thanks to all of my new subscribers. Thanks to my ride or die subscribers. You know how when you was in high school and you'd be like, oh, that's my ride or die girl right there. I mean, she'd hang with you. That's what I'm talking about with my old subscribers. All right, you guys. Thank you. And please share and subscribe. And if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Talk back to me in the comments. You guys are so quiet. I'm really a talker. It might not seem like it, but I can go. All right, let's get this turkey meatloaf, get it fixed up, and get it in the oven. All right, let's get this train on the tracks. Okay, Royal family, I'm trying to do this a newer way because every time I get ready to show you guys the ingredients, I forget something. So we're not going to use the red bell peppers, onions, individually. I found this bag of Pick Sweet 3-color pepper and onion strips that we need half of this bag, which would be 8 ounces, all right? And here it is right here. And you just want to finely dice it, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. Here I have 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I have a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I have 2 egg yolks. I have 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I also have 1/3 cup of fresh parsley. And I find something out, you guys. Like when you buy your parsley or cilantro and you wash it, put it in a salad spinner and it will take all the moisture out. And whatever you have left, wrap it in a paper towel and put it in a Ziploc bag. That way you won't have to keep chopping. But anyway, this is 1/3 cup of fresh parsley. All right, stay with me here now. This is 3 tablespoons of quick oats and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. All right, we're going somewhere with this, all right? Here I have butter. We're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter, black pepper, salt, and garlic, granulated garlic. And you remember I told you we're going to do a barbecue bourbon? You can use store-bought barbecue sauce, or you can make your own. Here I have Bullseye. Really great barbecue sauce. I'm finding I like it better than Kraft. Here I have the little bottle of Jim Beam bourbon, which I don't think I'm gonna use all of it, but I'll taste and see. Here I have some lime juice. I'm going to use like 2 teaspoons of that, and also some brown sugar. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to put the butter in the pan and saute the vegetables, then we'll start on the sauce. All right, we're rolling. Royal family, I forgot the main ingredient. We're going to use 2 pounds of turkey thighs, ground turkey thigh. Please do not get the turkey breast or it will make your meatloaf dry. So this is 2 pounds of ground turkey thigh. Okay, over here, we are sauteing the vegetables, and I said 3 tablespoons, but I needed 4. So 4 tablespoons of butter, and also to the butter I added 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic. We just want to get these kind of softened, and we're going to let it cool before we add it to the meat mixture. So I'm going to say saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then take it off the heat. All right, be right back. Okay, while we're waiting on our vegetables to cool, we're going to go ahead and get started with the sauce. In this small saucepan here, I have 1.5 cups of barbecue sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of bourbon whiskey, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to mix this all together, and we're going to let it cook probably for about 5 minutes, but that's on medium heat. So 5 minutes, just to get everything incorporated. Then we'll let that cool because we're going to add it on top of the meatloaf. Oh, and a pinch of salt, just a pinch. All right, we're back to the next ingredients. And also, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you guys, in that bell pepper mixture, I did add 1 celery stalk that I diced up really fine. Okay, in a separate bowl, we're going to add 2 of the egg yolks. We're going to give that a stir. All right, the vegetables are still cooling. We're going to add the 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Add that in there. We're going to add the 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and the 1/3 cup of parsley and the 3 tablespoons of oats and 2 teaspoons of the cornstarch. All right, I'll come back and show you guys, but this is the 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. You see that? So we're just going to mix all this together. All right, let me get the rest of the ingredients in and I'll come back. All right, here are all of the ingredients and the vegetables now that we've put in the turkey meat. So I'm going to mix this all together, and we're going to freeform it, meaning we're going to put it on a wire rack. We're not going to do a loaf pan or anything to this meatloaf. We're just going to freeform it. I'll come back and show you guys. All right, this mixture is wonderful. What I did, I took some of it and fried it in the skillet to make sure that I had the right amount of seasonings. And you guys, this turkey meatloaf is amazing. But you're going to get a wire rack, you're going to cover it in foil, and then get a sheet pan underneath. And when I told you that we're going to freeform it, let me show you. You're just going to take it and do this. And try to get it pretty even, that way, it'll cook evenly. And what we're going to do is put some of the barbecue sauce on top, and then maybe 10 minutes before the finished cooking time, we'll come back and glaze it again. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and this should bake for about 40 minutes or until the internal temperature of this turkey meatloaf is 160 degrees. Okay, this is a little big right here. Okay, let me show you. And I think this is the best way to actually do a meatloaf, is to freeform it. All right, you guys see that? It is freeformed. So I just went all the way around. Okay, now I'm going to add the sauce. All right, put the sauce on with a pastry brush, and make sure, you guys, that you take some of the sauce out of the pan and don't glaze directly from the pan, because you're still touching raw meat, okay? And you don't want this pastry brush touching raw meat and then going back in. That looks amazing, doesn't it? All right. In the oven for about 40 minutes or until the internal temperature comes out to 160. And 10 minutes before it's done, we're going to glaze it again. All right, see you guys in a bit. And we're going to have brown butter with potatoes with it. Oh, yum. All right. All right, Royal Family, here is the finished product of the barbecue bourbon turkey meatloaf. And please look down in the description box when I post the full recipe and the instructions. I think this meatloaf should be cooked at 325 for about 45 to 55 minutes. But anyway, let me show you guys. I want you to see this. I want you to see this. Sorry, my battery was going. And I got some of these brown butter whipped potatoes. All right, come on, get on here. I just want you to see how moist this is. Look at this. Hopefully I can squeeze it where you guys can see it. Come on now. All right, let me do my finger right quick. Look at this. You see that? All right, I'm going in. Some kind of delicious. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys real soon. Please check the description box below for the full recipe. One more again. The barbecue sauce is banging. Thank you guys so much.